Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Bamuhidin and now I will teach you how to make this profile name card. Okay, so first we can make new project, profile, and you can click start building. Okay, as you can see in here, there is containers, tag, and another widget. Okay, so first we will make this first container and then continue to the second container. Okay,
So next is
okay, so first we can download the F bar and can add a container, and for the column we can add 20 padding in the left and in the right, and 10 padding in the top and in the bottom. Okay, so let's go to the container. First, for the width is 100%, and 100%, and for the height is 40%, and for the radius is uniform radius, and the radius is 15. Okay,
next is text, next is text, and then after we make the this and the padding
okay,
is 12
under the container there's stock, for the stock padding is 8. Okay, let's add stock.
then the font size is 8 then
Okay, so in here
text and for the alignment
go change it to be uniform radius and add 8 radius. Change to be uniform padding and add 8 padding,
this is
and under the
first
inside of the
that's my
stock there is image, so let's add the image. Okay, so for the width is
yes
100%,
can do more
100%.
for this video
For the px is
and
100,
maybe I'll
for the height is
make
100
the second
pixel.
part for this outflow.
And
Maybe this is from me.
so
Thank you.
first let's add the
Assalamualaikum
column
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
and change it to be in the center. And first let's add the image, and change the radius to be 100, and for the pixel is 100 pixel for the width, and 100 pixel for the height. Okay, and let's add one container and put the image inside of the container. Wait. Wait. For the what is huh? Right. Oh, container. Okay, go to container and change the radius to be 100 and delete the fill of color and add border color to be gray. Okay, so for the border width is 2 width. Oh yeah, for the column, uh, you can add 50 padding in the top and it will be in the center. Okay, so after this you can add text and add 10 padding in the top and for the font size is 12 and change to be your name your Muhyiddin and duplicate it, change the padding, change the second text padding and for the font size is 16, for the font weight is bold. Oh yeah, for the font is Poppins. Poppins and Poppins and for this one Bilal Muhyiddin. Fix it. Okay, so like this one. Okay, so that's it for your name and then you can add row, change to be the main axis to be this to be in the center, add text. For the font is Poppins. This is the text is where are you born? I born in Bekasi. For the font size is 12 and for the text color is primary and you can add vertical divider, change the height to be 15, add one more text. For the font is Poppins and for the font size is 12 and this your date, your birth date. uh you have in December. Okay, that's it. And now let's add one more row and uh change to be main axis, add button. Where is button? Wait. Oh yeah, for the button add 10 padding on the top and for the font size is 40, for the text is follow For the text font, eh, for the font is Poppins. The color is primary text, which is black. Fill color is gray. For the border radius is 8. Okay, wait, let me see it. Okay. For the border color is gray. For the border width is 2. For the icon is, let's search user. This one. Okay. For the icon size is 15. Wait. 20. Hmm. Okay. Wait. Go to here and this one. Okay. So like this. And now just duplicate it three times the button. And for the row, for the main axis, change it to be spaced evenly. Okay, there's a space. And for the second is message. Message. Wait. I think just delete the fill color or change it to be white. Because we just need the border. Okay, like this. And for the icon is message. Hmm, what's the name of the icon? Comment. Just this one. Message. Okay. And the third, this one. Okay, done. So now let's make this text. Wait, for the text padding. Well, popping. So okay. Okay. So now let's add one column. Let's add text. Uh, at 12 padding. Change to be 12. And yeah. Okay, I will copy paste. This text is for about yourself. and this text is about myself, so I just wanted want to copy it. Okay, maybe for the container, uh, just make it more bigger. Or you can just change the height. Yeah, don't forget to change the fonts to be Poppins for the text align is center. And yeah, just change. Okay, done. Okay, so let's go to the second container. Add container. Wait. Hmm, for the container padding 14. Okay, so for the width is 100%, and oh yeah, for the padding is 14 on the top. This maybe 50%. Yeah, I will change it later. Hmm, wait. Oh yeah, for the radius is 15. And now let's add a stack. Oh wait, sorry, we don't need stack. We just need column, and yeah, that's it. First let's add text. Change the font to be pockets. Yes, the text is in forma information. Okay, let me see it. For the font weight is bold, font size is 40, 14, and yeah, we just need to change the font weight to be bold. Wait, I think there's okay. So you can click the column and add egg, egg in the uniform padding, and yeah. And for the plus axis is start, so it will be in the right. Then Okay, so first we can add row and we can give icon widget and for the icon is globe. For the icon size is 16 with for the page. Wait, first let's add row one more time and uh put the icon row uh inside of the new row. Yeah, like that. Okay, so inside the second row let's give text. Yeah, don't forget to add padding 10 in the top and 10 of 8, sorry, 8 in the top and 8 in bottom. And now let's add padding in the text egg and for the font size is 14. Wait, let me see, 12 poppins. Okay, it is 12 and for the font is poppins. For the text is website. Website. Okay, is done. And for the first row, you can give text. And for the first row, you can click it, and for the main axis, change to be space between. Okay, like this one. Wait, let's see the text. 12 semi bold. 12 semi bold. Okay, for this one, in all Muhyiddin at gmail.com. 12 semi bold. Let's change it to be poppins and also this one. Hold on. Okay, so for the other, just duplicate it. Duplicate, duplicate, and duplicate one more time. For this one is email. email. Let's change the icon first. This one, okay. Eh, sorry. For the first, for the website, I'm sorry. Edit. Wait. www.dilmuhyiddin.com. Okay, like this. And the second is email. And the third is phone. Phone. And yeah, just change the text by yourself. Mm, the- and the last is join. This is okay. And this is your birthday. 11 December 2010. Okay, so the last, let's we make this button and this divider. Okay, so first let's let's add the divider. Okay, and then add wrap, this one, and instead of the wrap you can add button, and same as like this one. Wait, text color is black, border color, where is maybe for the border width is only one. Okay, like this. And for the text is about yourself, describing yourself, your what's your skill, UI, UX, wait, UI UX designer, and yeah, duplicate, and I just wanna copy my first project because yeah, it's also describing about me. Okay, so first before you uh, duplicate more button, you can add spacing in here, maybe 8, and for the run spacing is 8 also. Okay, so yeah, just make more button, student, and duplicate. IoT, make right. Maybe sorry, maybe we can change the font size first to be 40, 14, 14. Okay, like this one, and yeah,
Hold on.
just duplicate more button.
License by the
Game develop. Game developer. Mobile develop. Wait, no problem. Wait. Okay, sorry. I forgot to change the fonts to be Poppins. Yeah, you can change all of the button fonts to be Poppins. Poppins, Poppins, and Poppins. And also the font size is 12 because before we change the font, so we need to change the font size also. Okay, like this one. Just semi bold. Okay, and duplicate. This one is photographer, and the last is
Why? Okay.
robotics
Why are you two, bro? Just three.
ng.
Yes.
No,
No. What? You said three with me. Okay.
yeah, yeah. Okay, so it is done. Wait, first let's change the container height first before I close it. Maybe 40. Okay. Okay, so maybe like this the final view. Same like my first project. Okay, so maybe that's all for me. Sorry for my tutorial if there is some mistake. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.